Hey guys, Dan here with VidderTech, and today we've got a brand new MagSafe collection for you, and that's brought to you by the brand Sonix. Shout out to them for sending me their entire lineup to show you guys on the channel. So Sonix is a luxury lifestyle brand, and while I'm showing you all kinds of MagSafe accessories built for the iPhone 12 lineup, that's not all that they do. If you go to their website, you're going to see all kinds of things from cases to tech accessories. They're making masks, UV sanitizing boxes, notebooks, to-do planners, sunglasses, anything lifestyle, you're going to be able to find it at Sonix. And before I get into this, I just want to make it clear that even though Sonix sent me these to review for the channel, they sent them so that I would give my honest opinion of the brand. They are not paying me for this review, so you don't have to worry about this being a fake review whatsoever. These are going to be my genuine thoughts as I unbox them for the first time on camera with you guys. So with that being said, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so we've got a ton of accessories here, from cases to MagSafe chargers to stands, and what's not pictured is actually what we're going to start with, and that is the pedestal car mount, which you can see right here. So bringing it a little bit closer, you can see this is made of a metallic material. It's got the nice Sonix branding there. It looks to have a standard ball mount at the bottom for a vent clip, which you could just sub out if you wanted to do a suction mount or something like that. So let's get into this. So this is going to show you the instructions on how to install it. And the biggest part to this is that it has a bit of a groove here so that you can fit in a MagSafe charger or a compatible magnetic link charger from the Sonix brand. So it's actually a really premium material. It is made of some metallic finish. It's got the Sonix brand, which you can see really close up here. It's got magnets built in so that it's going to align perfectly with your MagSafe charger, and then it's got the grip on the bottom so that it stays put. On the back, we've got your standard ball mount, so you can just unscrew this. And then just screw it back in here. You can see now it's not going anywhere, and it just clips. And the end here with that tip is just going to sit behind your vent mount so it stays firmly put in place. And so here we've got the iPhone 12. We're just going to see. Yep, and it just sticks right in place. And it actually seems pretty strong here at first glance. Doesn't feel like it's going to go anywhere, which is good because if you're in the car, you want this to be the most stable it can possibly be. Yeah, nothing I do is actually going to get rid of it. So here we can see the 12 Pro Max. And these ones are always a little bit harder because they are heavier, so they don't always work with MagSafe products. There you can go, it's aligned. And same thing, this is actually pretty stable. I'm actually quite surprised that something this thin can be this stable. So far, I'm really impressed with the quality of this. It actually seems like a really, really good product. Now moving on, we've got the pedestal magnet phone stand. This one is the graphite color, and very similar to the last one we saw, this one's just meant to prop up on your desk. And there it is. Again, this is made of a metallic finish, so it feels really premium. And it can just fold open. You can see again the Sonix branding here. And presumably this has the same magnets in it, so it's just going to stick there. And again, not really going anywhere. The 12 is actually my husband's stand, so I don't know how he's going to feel about me shaking it like this without a case. So now we're going to try the 12 Pro Max. There we go. And it's good. Okay, so next we've got the magnetic link wireless charger, and this is essentially their version of a MagSafe charger. Now it doesn't have the MagSafe NFC chip, so you're not going to see that MagSafe animation. It's also not going to charge at the full 15 watts that some devices do. This one claims to do 10 watt output for the iPhone 12 series and can charge through cases up to 2 millimeters thick. It also comes with a 6.5 foot cable, which is great to see. Oh, and here we've got the sticker on it. Get ready for this. So it's really glossy. It's got the Sonix branding on it. This actually looks like it detaches. Yes, it does. So we've got USB-C here. On the back, again, the Sonix branding. Really nice that they're including this everywhere. So this one feels a little bit more plastic, especially in comparison to something a lot more premium like the stand here. But the idea with this is that you can actually put it behind your accessory, and that's a lot of grip actually. That's extremely strong. That's really not going anywhere. I'm actually more afraid of the USB-C falling out of this than I am about the magnet coming off. That's extremely strong. Now we're going to show this on the iPhone 12. There we go. Again, it's just hanging there, really not going anywhere. Now the test. It's the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Again, no problems there. That one I'm a little bit more afraid of, but it doesn't seem to be going anywhere. Now you can also see it with the Sonix Car Mount here, that it's just going to fit right in there and click into place. So it just fits perfectly in here. The cord can wrap through there. And it really does look great with the shiny finish on this side. All right, so I've got it plugged in here and you can see there's no lights anywhere on it, which I actually like, so it's not as distracting as some other MagSafe chargers where they have blue light indicators that they're plugged in. Now we're going to try it out. And there we go. You can see that it is charging. No MagSafe animation, just like I was expecting. And it's going to charge at 10 watts. And you can see we're going to fit it right through the desk charger here. And it passes right through the magnets and it's able to charge on the stand. So now moving on to the Sonix cases. So one I've got here is for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. The one I have here is for the Pro Max. So I'm going to start with the Pro Max just because that's my phone. And you can see it's actually really shiny. You can't really tell because of the plastic on the case, so let's just get into this. Okay, so here it is. This one is the Polo Lounge MagSafe compatible case. You can see here we've got some cardboard in it, showing that up close. It says join the club, and it shows you shopsonix.com. They're also on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And also drop test certified. Now that's a nice touch. On the inside here, we have the warranty. And there you can see it does have the MagSafe magnet embedded in here. And rather than just having the circle like a lot of third-party accessories do, they do actually have the second magnet, so it is going to stay put with any of the accessories that you put on it. And see, they just disappear. They're hidden behind the leaves here. You can see this is just a very, very shiny case. It's actually a really nice touch. Now the buttons on the sides don't seem to move very much. I don't think that they're going to give the same haptic feedback like the Apple case does, but otherwise very solid case here. There we go. You can just sort of see the Apple logo peeking through there. Oh, the buttons are actually a lot better than I thought they were going to be. They do click quite a bit. They're really responsive. Yeah, both sides here, really responsive. You can sort of just hear the clicking. And we'll just test here with the Sonix stand. And it just clicks right into place and shows that it's charging. Okay, and last but not least, we have the iPhone 12 case. This one again is MagSafe compatible, so you're gonna have a magnet embedded in the circle there. So again, we've got the paper on the inside, which has your warranty information, shows the cameras on the back. It's a nice little touch that they added in. And here we see the case. So this is a really nice clear case. Again, it's got that Sonix brand at the bottom there. Very similar buttons to what we just had on the last case as well. And a nice light finish around the sides. Just snap that into place. There it is. So again, really nice light finish. The buttons are very, very responsive, which is great. Looks great on the back too. This is the black edition of the iPhone 12. Now showing it with the link, snaps right into place, shows that it's charging. And again, still very strong, not going anywhere. So I'm actually really impressed with the Sonix lineup. I'm loving the metal finish on these. It's a really high quality device. The MagSafe magnets seem really, really strong, especially in comparison to some other third-party brands that I've used. These cases are also incredible, and it's a big thing for me to have those responsive buttons, and these ones really do have that, which is really great. So again, it's not a sponsored video, but if you do want to pick up any of these, I will put them in the description below so that you can link out to them. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about all of these devices. We've got the pedestal stand, the pedestal car mount, the Polo lounge case, and the Match MagSafe case. Thank you again to Sonix for sending me these to show on the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed them. If you guys did enjoy this video, remember to hit that like button because it tells YouTube that videos like this don't suck, and hit the subscribe button to see more videos like this from me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.